Okay, we have a FANUC ROBODRILL model a-T21iFLa, serial number 105XH232. Machine was new in 2010. It has a FANUC 31IA5 control, and we're gonna run it. Machine has a 24,000 RPM spindle, a 21 tool automatic tool changer, 33.5 by 16.1 inch table. This is the long bed machine with 27.5 inch travel. 5,000. We have the door open on the side so you can get a better look at it. 10,000 RPM. 15,000 RPM. All right.
Tool change.
I'm gonna do a tool change. Another one. All right. There, so your Z up and down, you have 12.99 inches or 330 millimeter. Your X again is 700, 27.5. And your Y is 14.76 or 375. All right, machine's original paint. And it's here. Hey, thank you for watching our video.